This one going out. 51 gallon. What? 15. This is the year over here, 15. So it's about 7 years old. We're gonna take it out and put a new one in. It's leaking over here from the top. It's somewhere on the top. That's what they say. I was looking over here, dude. Holy shoot. I mean, the release valve. Look at this. It's disconnected. They hardly thread this thing in. Look at that. Holy shoot. This was not thread in at all. Let's go to this over here. Wow. Okay. So I'm waiting for the buck. Right now, look at this one out. And put it on in. Bam! All right. All right, done with this one. Let's go to the next hole. Okay, done with this one. Freaking mess in my truck. I gotta clean up my truck. All right, roadies. See you in the next one. Just got paid. Bam. Chin chin.